Let's find the circumference of the circle that has a radius of 1/8 inch. For this problem, we will use 22/7 as an estimation for pi. The formula for the circumference of a circle is C circumference equals 2 times pi times the radius r. Now pi is not a variable, pi is a number that we're going to approximate with 22/7. R we're going to replace with the radius 1/8 inch. I'm going to, in this step, use an approximately equal to sign because I'm going to substitute pi with an approximation. So I have 2 times pi is approximately 22/7 times 1/8 inch. Carrying out the multiplications, I have 2 times 22 times 1 over 7 times 8 inches, multiplying numerators and multiplying denominators. And before I carry out the multiplications, I will factor out an additional factor of 2 out of the 22. 2 times 2 times 11 times 1. And the 8 I will factor as 2 times 2 times 2. And our units are still inches. Now I have 2 factors of 2 in the numerator that I can match with 2 factors of 2 in the denominator. I can cancel a factor of 1, 2 over 2, cancel another factor of 1, 2 over 2, which gives me 11 times 1 in the numerator, 7 times 2 in the denominator, and the unit of inches. So the circumference is 11/14 inches.